From the moment students enter CHQ, they know they're going to experience something different. EPIC is a museum unlike any other in Ireland, located in the vaults of this historic Georgian warehouse. When they get downstairs and begin to interact with the museum, they really feel they've left the classroom behind. A school trip to the museum is an exciting way to learn. With a focus on the curriculum, we tailor your visit to your group's needs, whether that's for a full day or a flying visit. Students enjoy the hands-on workshops we offer, from tech tours and coding sessions to object handling workshops.
I was really impressed with the user-friendly layout and the structure of the whole tour. It's very interactive for students, so that helps keep them focused.
With the Irish Family History Centre on site,
students can also experience how to research and find these emigrant stories.
There's something here to appeal to every student, whether their passion is art, sport, literature, science, maths or music.